In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add info buttons to dashboards in Tableau in just 5 minutes. Adding info buttons to your dashboard is a great way to enhance user experience, providing insights or extra details without cluttering your main views. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to transform your data presentation. First, you need to launch the Tableau app on your computer. Ensure that you have your login credentials ready if needed and that your software is up to date for optimal functionality. Once you've launched Tableau, navigate to your worksheet. This is where you'll be organizing and preparing your data for visualization. Get comfortable moving between your worksheets as they form the backbone for your dashboards. Next, shift your focus to your dashboard. This is where the visual magic happens, and you can integrate various elements to tell your data's story effectively. On your dashboard, you'll want to add either a vertical or horizontal container. Use these containers to organize different components and provide structure. This is crucial as it lets you manage the layout more effortlessly. When you're ready to position your container, press and hold the Shift key to make it a floating element. Floating containers allow you more flexibility as you can place them anywhere on the dashboard without being constrained by the underlying grid. This method gives you total control over the placement and appearance, which is a powerful feature for a more customized display. After positioning your container, head over to the Layout menu, where you can tweak the background color. This step is beneficial for making your info buttons stand out or blend seamlessly with your dashboard design, depending on your preference. Once that's done, click on the drop-down menu located on the side of your container. From here, select the Add Show Hide button option. This feature allows you to easily toggle the visibility of the content within the container, thus keeping your dashboard clean while allowing access to additional information. Upon adding the button, you can press and hold the Alt key to quickly open or close it. This handy shortcut saves time as you're working on the fly during presentations or adjustments. Now, with your button in place, you have the creative freedom to add any content into the box that appears. This could include charts, explanatory text, or other insightful visuals. Think about what additional information would benefit the viewer and add it here to enrich the dashboard context. Finally, you can modify the button to better fit your style. Simply click on the drop-down and choose Edit button for customization options. You can rename it, change its appearance, and even adjust the actions it triggers. And there you have it. You've now successfully added and customized an info button to your Tableau dashboard. By following these straightforward steps, you can make your dashboards more dynamic and user-friendly, ensuring that every viewer can delve deeper into the parts of the data they are most interested in. Happy dashboarding!